back to the bicycle story. So you're saying that I'm just going to try to figure out what the judge is going to try to do to you by your demeanor, by your attitude, by the other man's demeanor, the other man's attitude. Did they summons the other man to appear, Mr. Sosa?
I don't know.
Okay, you got to appear on the 8th.
Yes.
Is there some reason why you can't call the prosecutor and say, hey, have you summoned Mr. Sosa to appear? Is this the first time you've been to this court? Or this second, third, fourth, fifth time? How many
no,
times
this would be the second time. The first time they put a discretionary warrant out for me because apparently I didn't show up as the person.
Okay, great. Where was Mr. Sosa on the first time?
He wasn't there. Neither was the man acting as the officer.
So if he wasn't there, why didn't you just appear as a person? Say, hey, yeah, hallelujah, man, I'm here as a person. You got a witness? You got Mr. Sosa? You got the injured party? No. Well, then I guess you're going to have to fucking discharge this matter. Oh, well, goodbye. It would have been over.
Just showing up as a person? This goes against any...
Sure. Because why? Because the other guy didn't show up. He's full of shit. Nothing happened. Oh, why did you put him on a stand so I could cross-examine him? Oh, he's not here? Oh, well. I guess this case is dismissed.
They just want to find out how I want to proceed.
Dude, what do you mean they want to know how you're going to proceed?
Whether I was going to plead guilty to the charge.
Oh, you haven't even been arraigned yet.
No.
So you asked him if he's going to be guilty or not guilty.
Yeah. How do you want to proceed?
Yeah. Why don't you just say, hey man, I already covered the debt with Mr. Sosa.
But I haven't.
Oh, you haven't? Really? Where's Mr. Sosa?
He hasn't been summoned to court to appear as a witness, I guess.
Oh. So how do they know that you haven't?
How do I know what? Sorry?
How do they know? How do they know you haven't settled the debt? Where's Mr. Sosa? Oh, that Mr. Sosa. Oh, I thought the other Mr. Sosa. Oh, I'm there. Oh, what is this case about now? Oh, that's right. Oh, bicycle good. Oh, I was thinking the other Mr. Sosa. What am I thinking of? Oh, it's the other Mr. Sosa that I dropped his pancake the other day on the floor. Oh, I thought it was that Mr. Sosa that I settled the debt with. I mean, you can do misdirection. You can bamboozle him and bullshit him. I mean, dude, this is right. You said
I'm trying to be honorable here.
I did? Oh, yeah. Oh, it is honorable.
I'm trying to be honorable.
Mr. Sosa. Dude, they could lie. They're acting. They're all fucking actors. I'm so fucking done with these fucking actors. They could just lie their ass off. They could say, oh, grandpa's got a fucking child pornography producer. Oh, really? You got photos of this? Oh, yes. And you're a cop. Oh, not only a cop, I'm an investigator. And I just lost the election by a couple of votes, or I would have been the sheriff of this county. Oh, really? And you can just come around and just lie and just bullshit like crazy. Oh, yes, because I'm protected by state and federal laws. Oh, really? Oh, so we're just going to fucking act. We're just all going to come and act. We're not going to fucking act honorably anymore. Oh, we're just going to all fucking be actors now, huh? With no more honor in court. We're just going to fucking just make it up as we go along and bullshit. Put innocent people in jail. Destroy their lives. Oh, yeah, let's just all fucking act. Yay. Let's just all act like a bunch of bullshitters. Oh, no. That's right. I'm supposed to be a man, and I'm supposed to be the honorable one. While all you motherfuckers over there are bullshitting and lying. 6 years they fucking held 3 of my kids. 6 years. When I fucking wrote down everybody who was involved, there was 78 people involved in the stealing and taking my kids. All very, very honorable people. Oh, but that's right. I have to be the honest one, and everybody else can just bullshit and steal my kids. Oh, that's right. Look, there's no integrity in their motherfucking system. It doesn't
I don't know
exist.
how they sleep at night. I don't know how they sleep at night,
they
really.
Sleep fine because they're actors. It's like how does the guy, John England, who plays Freddy Krueger or plays a Nightmare and Massacre guy, the guy with the fucking fingernails, how does that guy sleep at night? He just killed 57 people in one movie. How does he sleep at night? Because he's a fucking actor. He's an actor. It's all justifiable in their minds. They're just fucking acting.
But there's a Roman maxim. There's a Roman maxim, right?
We're all gonna fucking act. Let's all act. What act did you violate? I don't know, some Canadian act? Yeah, some parliamentary Canadian act of 1972. Yeah, okay, great. You know what? They're just fucking acting. Let's all just fucking act. Like I said, it was funny. My mom talked to Frank the other day in prison. And she said to him, she's like, you know what, when I go to court, I'm just going to act. I'm just going to act like I hate you. I'm just going to act like they're right and you're wrong. I'm just going to act like I agree with everything they say. I'm just going to act to get those grandkids back. The only problem with my mom, since this is the first time she's dealt with prison and jail, when she got to court the following Tuesday, so said, yeah, so you're going to act, huh? Yeah, I want to come to court and act. Okay. The only problem is we heard the phone call conversation that you had with Frank on the other side of the phone in prison. So you're just going to bullshit the crap out of us here in court, and you're just going to say whatever we want to hear, so you can get whatever you want? And she said to me, well, he's my husband, and, this is the way I'm going to act. I don't want to break his heart, and you know what, I just want my grandkids back. And so when she said that, man, she said, man, the whole court, like the whole fucking air just like deflated out of the court. Because they were going to try to use her to try to place the kids. So they're like, wow, so we don't really know if we should trust you anymore, lady, because you don't care. It's just like what's going on with you. It's like, well, I want to be honorable, and I want to tell the truth. Why? Nobody on their side is telling the truth. Nobody on the Crown side is telling the truth. They can just lie their asses off. So to me, if I'm playing a game, if I'm playing Monopoly with you or playing chess or checkers, and you say it's okay to cheat, well, let's cheat. Okay, then let's just totally cheat and just make a total mockery of this. Why should I be fucking honorable in your fucking ridiculous game?
Because you're a public servant.
That's right. They don't care. They don't care.
You have to hold these public servants accountable.
That's right. Then you take a man-to-man. You get out of those ridiculous fucking courts and you hold them man-to-man. And that's what I'm doing. I'm showing people how to go man-to-man on these fuckers. I'm done. I'm done fucking playing with their stupid fucking courts. I'm done. You want to talk to me in your stupid court? Put it in writing. What? You want to talk to me? You want to communicate? My ears suck. I can't hear shit. Put it in writing. Well, I just want to know what you have to say. When I say something, you're going to hold me in contempt of court. I'm not stupid. Put it in writing. You put it in writing? Ask me the question in writing. Who's asking me the question? Put down who's asking me the question. Judge Bob. No, I don't have to talk to no judge. I'm talking to Bob. I'm talking to the man. I'm talking to the man, Bob. Yeah. You put it in fucking writing. I'm done opening my mouth in your fucking courts. You're all a bunch of bullshit liars. And I'm done. I'm done listening to you because you know what? I don't hear shit anymore from you fuckers. It's like Mike the Cop. I used to brag on my show all the time. And I even said that to Mike. I said, you're the best code enforcement officer I've ever met in my life. You know the code like the back of your fucking hand. You put on a hell of a fucking performance that day in court. You were fantastic. You were better than the fucking video. It was crystal clear. It's concise. It's exactly what happened. I said it was nice to find somebody who could tell the truth and say exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened that day. Now, 7 years later, he's lying his ass off. And he's like, okay, it's cool. I could lie. I could say I got the pictures. I got the proof. Really? You got the child pornography? Yes. You got the pictures? Yes. You got the proof? Yes. I got the proof. Oh, really? Yes, I'll be back in a little while. Oh, really? When it's a little while? He ain't never come back, except to pick the kid up like 2 days later. But he never came back with the pictures. There's a picture.
But he's acting right now. He's an officer. He's allowed to lie.
So I'm a defendant. I'm allowed to lie. You want to have a good story? You want to have a good fucking game? You could lie. I could lie. Guess what? We could have a hell of a fucking game. Guess what? I don't even want to play your fucking game. Yes, you know what? Instead of playing your fucking game, put it in fucking writing. That's all I want to see. I want to see it in fucking writing. I'm not talking no more. And like I said, when I went to Canada 2 years ago, the RCMP fucking did a fucking profile on me. It was 4 inches fucking thick when I got there over in fucking BC, over in Vancouver area.
Mm-hmm.
When they fucking put me on trial over there, the judge said to him, what is the RCMP investigator, what's the number one thing that Carl says? What's the number one thing that we should be afraid of when Carl fucking, when he's advising these people? Is he talking about a violent overthrow of the government? Is he saying about taking down the crown? What's he saying? Oh, the RCMP says, Carl says, don't say a damn thing at court. Don't say a damn thing. No man's appearing in this fucking court anyway, but you. When should you appear as a man when nobody else was willing to appear as a man? Tell him put everything in fucking writing. Keep your mouth shut and put everything in writing. And the judge kind of just smiled, like, hey, yeah, Cole's right about that. The judge was like, no, is there anything else he really says? What does he say about Harper, Ford, Blair? What does he say about the Canadian government? He's like, he says they're just normal guys. They put their pants leg one at a time. They wipe their ass like everybody else does. Who cares? They're just another man. What we fucking do? They're liable for their acts just like I'm liable. Who cares? They got no authority over me. Authority means dictator. They're not a dictator over me. That's exactly what authority means. Go Google it. Authority. Dictator.
No, I have.
Dictator. Yeah. What does authority mean?
It means to have power over somebody or jurisdiction.
That's right. We're all equal. That's right. He's a man. He was born a man. I was born a man. We're going to fucking die the same damn way. We're going to stop breathing. Right. We're equal. You got no authority with me. You ain't got no higher power than me. You don't throw thunderbolts out of your ass. You don't clap fucking thunder. You're just like me.
Yeah.
So you have no authority over me because I'm not a member of your silly society. So if we're going to play under these fucking acts, let's play under the Canadian Act. Let's act under Congress. Let's be a bunch of fucking actors.
Okay, Karl. So what you're saying is
I don't even want to be a fucking actor anymore. That's what I'm trying to say. You guys are trying to say, well, how should we act when we go to court? I'll put it in writing. Don't what? Put it in writing. You got any man? You got Mr. Sosa here? You got the man that actually claiming I've done something wrong? No. Then put it in writing. What? Then nobody else? No. Any man appearing here today? No. I'm the only man? Like I'm going to stand here and bear liability? I'm the only one who's going to bear liability today? Anybody else willing to be a man today? No. You're a prosecutor. You're a bailiff. You're a fucking magistrate. You're a judge. Nobody wants to be a man today, do they? I'm the only one in this court acting as a man? I don't fucking think so. If you want me to fucking act like a man, that's fine by me. You know what? You're as a prosecutor. You're a judge. You know what? This is all legal. You know what? Put it in writing. What? I need company counsel before I answer any fucking legal questions. I'm not a legal person. You're talking to me legalese? Is it a legal matter? Yeah. I'm done. This Chinese, Japanese legalese, I'm done. I don't want to talk to you. Just put it in fucking writing, and I'll go get company counsel, and I'll provide this answer to the court in 72 hours. How's that?
Is this what you talked to Alan about?
No, I talked to Alan about motorcycles and how much I can't stand drunken Indians.
Well, that could be another subject, but I heard him talking.
Alan about what?
He was in court, and seemed to be talking to the judge. Like he had this, like he was going to get you. He's got counsel. His name's Karl, and it's like Karl who? Well, I can't remember what his name is, but his name's Karl, and I got counsel or something like that. I mean, there seems to be you've mentioned a few times to say I require leave of court so I can properly answer this court, right?
Yeah.
But Alan's talking in court.
No, because Alan didn't just do it the way I just said to do it. Say, hey man, I don't hear so good. I was working on my bicycle yesterday, and I was pumping the tire up too far, and it blew the fucking off the rim, man, and I hurt my ears. I can't really hear today, man. Why don't you put it in fucking writing? Actually,
I'm a mechanic, so I understand that.
Yeah, I got too close to the fucking tire and the pop, and it hurt my ears. I can't hear anything.
Okay.
Why don't you put it all in fucking writing? Put it all in writing so it's crystal clear. Put it all in writing so I'm not in contempt of court. Put it in writing. Put all your questions in a form of writing. Put it all in a written form.
Even if they're trying to identify me as the person?
Put it in writing. Put it in writing. I don't understand so good, man. My hearing's not good today. Put it in writing.
Wow.
Put it in writing. I'll give you an answer in 3 days. Give me 3 days to leave the court so I can properly answer. I got to go see competent counsel before I address this court.
Okay.
Yeah. Screw them. Screw them.
Hey, Karl, I just want to say thank you.
That's exactly the number one thing the Crown said that they feared. That's exactly what the Crown said in that fucking, when they had me on a hearing and had me on trial. What's the number one thing that the Crown's afraid of? He says nobody's going to talk anymore in court. We're going to put everything in writing. That's right. I said it 2 fucking years ago. I went on trial 2 years ago. The window of 2014. Not the end of window of 2015. 2014, and you guys still don't fucking get it. The RCMP got it. The Crown got it. They said, what it's called, tell everybody to do. Keep your fucking mouth shut and tell them to put it all in fucking writing. They're coming at you.
If you want to learn this stuff, you got to go in the ring.
They're coming at you with a piece of paper. Make sure they hand you the paper and just put everything back to them in a form of writing. Don't open your fucking mouth.
Okay.
Everything just goes in a form of writing. You try to battle with these guys, you try to cross words with these guys, and they're going to fucking destroy you. These are the guys who got picked on all through their school, all through their childhood, man. They were the nerds who loved doing crossword puzzles. Other guys like playing football, hockey. Other guys like playing, soccer, football, anything, man. These guys like playing with words. Now they're in position to manipulate everybody. Now they're using words as a powerful tool to take everything away from man. Okay. And this is all they're doing. They're just doing it with a piece of paper, pen, and ink. That's all they're doing. And that's the number one thing the Crown feared. The judge said, what is the number one thing that we should be afraid of when letting this man into the country? What's the number one thing that we should be afraid of? What is he telling these people to do? Insurrection, riot, looting, pillaging, destroying the economy. What's this guy saying? He says, keep your mouth shut in court. Don't say a damn word. But just, they don't exist. There's nothing there. You tell them, put it in writing. And who's asking me this question? Oh, the judge is, really? An actor? This is like a script? You want me to just fill in the dialogue and you just want me to act as a defendant? Is that what you want to do? You want to act? Yeah. Okay, that's great. You want to act. You want to act. Oh, hell. If it's just a script, if I'm just putting back and forth in writing, there you go. I'll I'll play this game with you in writing. That's the legal person's answer. That's not my answer. That's a legal call. What? That's a legal call's answer. I'm not bearing liability. Are you acting as a man? No, you're acting as a judge. I'm going to act as a defendant. You want me to act? Yeah, that's fine. But I'm not going to bear liability. Is anybody else here willing to be a man? No.
So can I look for compensation then? If if they want to waste my time with me going back in there, there's nobody. There's no other man making a claim against me.
They're going to tell you get the fuck out of here.
That's what I want. I don't want to be in their court, but I want to get compensated.
That's right. They want to be compensated. I'm telling you, fucking people start telling these fuckers, put in a writing. It'll be all over. They'll say, get out of my court. Put in a writing. Tell put a notice for me to get the fuck out of your court. Not like you dickheads would do. The judge will say, get out of my court. And guess what? You say, no, not a problem. Okie dokie. He's got you. But you understood what he fucking said. And you fucking follow through. And then you're going to be held in contempt of court. Tell the guy, put it in writing. Don't put it in writing. Get the fuck out of my courthouse. Put it in writing. Just get out of here. Put it in writing. I ain't going nowhere. Put it in writing.
All right, Carl.
So, yeah, right. You've got to get these people to put it in writing. And you just keep handing them the piece of paper that says, put it in writing. You don't say to the man with your mouth, put it in writing. You show him a piece of paper, like the guy did in fucking Ohio. The guy in Ohio walked into the courtroom and says, I'm an idiot, on his T-shirt. I said, good. His lawyer said, take it off. I said, take it off, fuck, you better not. I said, every time the judge asks you a question, just take your finger and run it under that, I am an idiot. Run it under there. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Just run your finger. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Don't say a fucking thing. Just run your finger across your chest. I'm an idiot. Put a piece of paper on the judge. It says, put it in writing. Just keep picking it up. Put it in writing.
Okay, Carl.
Don't say a fucking thing. Say, put it in writing. I can't hear. Put it in writing. I can't hear you. Put it in writing. Just like, I can't hear you. Put it in writing. Please put it in writing. Just lift up that nice big 11 by 7. Put it in 72 font. I can't hear you. Please put it in writing. And there you go. If everybody just starts doing that, what do you think is going to happen to them? What do you think if every single fucking person in the courtroom did that day? Said, I can't hear what you're saying. Please put it in writing. Everybody.
Like some guy in a holding up traffic.
There's 100 motherfuckers sitting in that courtroom. You hand out this fucking 72 font thing and say, hey, watch me, guys. Let me go first. Put it in writing. I can't hear you. Put it in writing. Or I don't understand you. Put it in writing. There you go. Say, I don't understand you. Put it in writing.
I'm going to get a T-shirt. This guy put it in the chat, T-shirts with I'm an idiot in writing.
Right. Either I'm an idiot or you put a fucking placard saying, I don't understand you. Please put it in writing. And just keep picking it up to them. Every time they say something to you, just lift it up. Say, I don't understand you. Please put it in writing.
Yeah.
If they say, what do you mean? Put it in writing. Please put it in writing. Then you can lift up another one and say, I will answer the court within 72 hours.
Well, they physically kicked me out of the court because I was trying to audio record it.
Audio record what? Everything's in writing.
I know, but I actually want to record the proceeding.
Why? Because you're the other one who's going to be talking. There's nothing on the other side talking. It's a fucking judge. He's an actor. There's nothing.
Yeah.
He's an actor. There's nothing over there. Nobody's talking. It's paper coming after you. Where's Mr. Sosa? I don't see him. So who the fuck's the man who's moving his court? Nobody. Oh, then put everything in writing. I don't have a duty and obligation to talk to my fellow man. I don't have a duty and obligation to talk to an actor. That's ridiculous. I don't. I'm not part of your society. I'm not part of your club. I don't have to act. It's voluntary. Everything is voluntary. If I don't want to volunteer and be an actor, you can't make me be an actor. Why do you think the Crown said the number one thing they're afraid of is telling everybody to keep their mouths shut? Don't none of your people say anything.